This activity helps students understand the difference between multiples and a set generated by skip counting. They write a multiplication sentence if the set of numbers is multiples of a given number. Like card number 3, the total numbers given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and they show skip counting by, let me go ahead and put 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. They are skip counting by 5s. So now I'll make a list of multiples of 5 because they are counting by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5, 2, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 5 times 10 is 50. Now 15 is a multiple of 5, 20 is a multiple, 25 is a multiple, 30 is a multiple, and 35 is a multiple. So this is a list of multiples. Now, so that means I can write a multiplication sentence. 7 times 5 is 35. I write a multiplication sentence based on the last number, that is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. So I will cancel this. I cannot write a multiplication. I can write a multiplication sentence. Card number 13. Here all the numbers given are 4 and they show skip counting. Well, let me go ahead and write them down. 12, 17, 22, and 27. They show skip counting by 5s. I make a list of multiples of 5, just like I did here. 5, 2 times 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Now 12 does not fall in the list of multiples here. 17 is not, 22 is not. So this set is not multiples of, so I cannot write a multiplication sentence. And this is what it is, because this set is generated by skip counting. Generated skip counting by 5s. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.